Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your acupuncture clinic business. Suppose as the owner of acupuncture clinic business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to book appointment, ask about treatment option and get pre-session tips. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user sent a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your acupuncture clinic business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to book appointment. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Hello, welcome to Balance Point Acupuncture, where natural healing happens. How can we help you today? Book appointment, view treatment, pre-session tips. Now, simply I am click on book appointment. After clicking book appointment, you will see I am getting a response. Great, let's schedule your session. What's your full name? Now I am entering my name, test user. After typing my name, you will see I am getting a response. Thanks test user. Which treatment are you interested in? Now I am typing back pain. After typing back pain, you will see I am getting another response. When would you like to visit us? Now I am entering date and time, 25 May 2025 and time 10 AM. Now I am getting another message. Got it. Your appointment request. Name test user. Treatment back pain. Date and time. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on confirm button. After clicking confirm button, we are getting our last message. Well, confirm your booking shortly. Looking forward to see you. So you will see we are getting a responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp Number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section, we create our template. Just click on Add New Template and fill the details over here and simply click on Submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section, we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on Add Broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on Add Broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on Add Flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI Assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option Settings and Get Help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on Flows, and we want to create our new chat flow. Click on Add Flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your acupuncture clinic business. Now we have two options, Message and Action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords hello, hey, and Sean. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. This format helps us to trigger the chatbot. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we haven't choose template option. With the help of this option, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hello, welcome to Balance Point Acupuncture, where natural healing happens. How can we help you today? Now we also add a button. book appointment, view treatment, pre-session tips. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. If user press pre-session tips, then we will send over this message. Simply connect this button to this message box. Now we take another text button and write a message on it, and also add a media. Simply I upload the media which I already downloaded and enter the caption. If user press view treatment button, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box in which we ask a name from user. If user press book appointments, then we will send over this message. Now select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect book now button to this question box and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. Thanks, $full name, which treatment are you interested in? And also select the contact custom field, services, and select the format, that is text format. Now connect the question box to this box. You will see I am using a $sign. Why we use $sign? If user enter their name, the $sign will be replace their name with full name. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. When would you like to visit us? And select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now connect the box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Got it, your appointment request, name, treatment, date and time, and simply connect this question box to this message box. Also we add a confirm button. If user press confirm button, then we will send our last message. Well, confirm your booking shortly, looking forward to seeing you, and save the flow. So you'll see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for acupuncture clinic business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type booking appointment. After typing, you will see I'm getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.